Hello, I'm restoring this 9.9 Johnson, and anyway, the water pump was completely out on it. That's the impeller that was in it, and as you can see, there's no veins. There's supposed to be veins sticking off right here, and all the rubber was gone, and there's all the pieces and stuff off the old one. Anyway, I put a whole new water pump kit in it, and have another video where I showed doing that part of it. The fuel pump that happens to be on this unit is not the correct fuel pump. However, I do like it better because it's a higher volume fuel pump than what originally came with the 9.9s. And so I'm going to go ahead and rebuild it because the pressure on it is it's only pumping about 1.5 pounds. But it's this fuel pump that's on there is made for a bigger motor, but it's fine, the floats and everything. While I'm in it, I'm going to go ahead and rebuild the carburetor. I've already taken the carburetor off, and I want to suck through it and put a new carburetor on it. And, I mean, not a new carburetor, but I'm going to rebuild that carburetor. And I'll keep you updated on all that. So anyway, that's a little Johnson 9.9 Sailmaster motor. And this motor has a generator. This is electric start. This is really a true sailboat motor in my opinion. I like it. I've owned 3 of them myself, and I'm doing this for one of the commanders with the American Legion, and he's evidently a sailor too, and I love going through these motors. I'm going to make it just restored to where he can enjoy it for another 3 or 4 or 5 years if he takes care of it without having work done on it. And I'll have it all cleaned up, and I'll show you the end result on that. Y'all have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.